Stop. Traditional manual adjustments aren't for everyone. At Piscitano Chiropractic, we've taken an innovative leap forward by using the state-of-the-art Pro Adjuster. Starting with a 3D body scan, we locate any problem area. This data then provides our computer the input necessary to make proper pain-free adjustments. The Pro Adjuster can be used to treat multiple areas of the body, including the spine, shoulders, neck, head, knees, and more. Another great benefit of the Pro Adjuster is it can be used on any age group and safely used on pregnant women. Contact the Piscitano Chiropractic Center today.